If you have ever opened Python and thought, yeah, I don't understand any of this, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to break down Python basics in a way that actually makes sense. No confusing terms, no overthinking, just Python explained like your human being. By the end of this video, you'll understand how Python stores information using strings, numbers, lists, and dictionaries, which is the foundation of literally everything in the Python. Let's get into it. Python is a programming language, which means it's how we give instructions to our computer. The computer doesn't think, it only follows instructions exactly as we write them. So before we tell Python to do cool stuff, we need to understand how it stores information. That's where data types come in. Strings. Strings are words or sentences in Python. They are written inside quotes or either double quotes or single quotes. There are two types of strings: normal strings and formatted strings. Formatted strings allow variables inside. Integers. Whole numbers. Integers are just whole numbers, positive, negative, or zero. Examples: 5, negative 12, and 0. Floats. Numbers with decimals. Floats are just basically 3 points, 14 is negative 0.5. You know, when you in like mathematics, you use that in a lot of additions, like all that. Python just knows all these numbers. Booleans. Sometimes Python just needs a yes or no. So that's where booleans come in, to show what's true and what's false. We use this for these true and false are conditions in Python. So they determine if this thing is true or false. You get that thing, right? Okay, lists. Lists are ordered collections of items that can mix. For example, they can just put one, two, apple. You can use strings, variables, and all that. Just put it in box brackets. Tuples. These are like lists, but they are immutable. That means they can't be changed. So this is an example of a tuple. Sets. These are just unordered collections with unique items. So this is an example. It just becomes 1, 2, 3. So you can just play around, just typing random things and you get something. It's really weird, right? I don't know why. So dictionaries, these are key value, like a mini database. Examples are name, Caden, my name, and age. I'm 10. The reason I the reason I have this channel, like you have been hearing an old voice, like this is not actually my channel. My teacher gave me this channel to get, because he's busy with work. So I wanted to start continue coding. So I got this channel just to make a lot, just to have fun, code, and remember some things I also haven't remembered. So modules are toolboxes in Python that add extra functions. You import them with import, in, like for example, import math. Math is an example of a what's it called, of a module. We'll use it in later videos. These are some of the common modules: math, random, data time, or else. We'll see them in later videos. Loops repeat action without writing code many times. For example, there is a while loop and a for loop. It repeats a sequence like lists, strings, and range. For example, for I in range.